Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will explore the latest trends and innovations in the world of technology and content creation. We have a fascinating topic to discuss: the future of AI and its impact on YouTube creators. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Alright, let's get started. I recently heard about some incredible advancements in AI like DALL-E, Google Bard extensions, Midjourney, etc. It is becoming smarter and more capable, isn't it? AI has come a long way. It can understand context better and even generate more coherent text. Remember those days when it couldn't write a simple paragraph without making errors? The struggle was real. But now, it is showing promise in various creative tasks, including content creation. Speaking of content creation, AI-generated art is making waves. But there is a catch, right? Absolutely. Many artists are worried about their work being used without permission. Some are even complaining about platforms like Adobe Stock, where AI-generated art is attributed to them, even when they opted out. It is a complex issue. AI is blurring the lines of authorship and copyright. But is there any hope for artists to protect their creations? Well, there is a talk of embedding metadata in images to indicate whether they were AI generated or not. It is a step in the right direction. Let us switch gears a bit. I heard something interesting about AI and music streaming platforms like Spotify. What's going on there? Spotify has an agreement with record labels not to hold music copyrights. But if they start using AI to generate music, they could bypass those royalties. It is a potential goldmine for them. That's a game changer, for sure. But with AI-generated music infiltrate our playlist without us even knowing, it is possible. AI has a way of sneaking into our digital lives, like those AI characters on TikTok and YouTube. It is amazing how AI is becoming part of our everyday devices. Alexa is everywhere. Should there be an Alexa in everything? AI is even changing the way we interact online. Have you noticed how AI-generated content can blend seamlessly with human-created content on social media? You might not even realize you are engaging with AI-generated content. It is like AI is becoming part of our digital lives. And what about those AI-generated comments? Will they start flooding our favorite platforms? It is a possibility. Soon, you might see comments starting with, "Hey Alexa, let's hope it doesn't become too overwhelming." Lastly, the monetization of AI is a hot topic. Will we see future AI versions behind paywalls, or will there always be a free version? It is an interesting question. Companies like OpenAI are navigating the balance between profit and access to AI. We will have to see how it evolves. And there you have it, folks. The future of AI is full of exciting possibilities and challenges. As content creators, we will continue to explore and adapt to this ever-changing landscape. Indeed, we will embrace the future and keep you informed every step of the way. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's it for today's discussion on the future of AI and its impact on YouTube creators. If you're interested in learning more about AI and how it operates, you should subscribe to our channel to stay updated. Keep exploring, keep creating, and we will see you in the next video.